Hey guys, what is up? Josh Short here from Edit Video Faster. Welcome to lesson 11 in learning your After Effects keyboard shortcuts. This lesson is about modifying layer properties. It's going to be a pretty quick one. Let's dive right into it. So here in our timeline, we have a layer and we have layer properties. If you didn't check out lesson 10, which is calling up these different layer properties, make sure to check that one out. So to change any of these layer properties, you can do it a number of ways, but one of the ways is to click and drag, and then we can, change the property. So if we want to change it by increments of 10, we can hold down the Shift key and then click and drag, and it's going to jump by 10. Also, if we click in here, we can use the up and down arrows to go up and down one at a time. And then if we hold down the Shift key, it's going to go up and down by a value of 10. Now, if we hold down the Command key if you're on a Mac, Control key if you're on a Windows computer, it's going to go in increments of 1/10, so by 0.1. So as I'm holding down the Command key on my Mac, as I click, it's just going to go by a value of 0.1 each time. Now, I actually learned these next three ones doing research for this. I did not know these, but they're pretty cool. So if you have a layer selected and you hold down Command or Control, Shift, and the O key, that's going to pop open the opacity changer dialog box. So from here, I can change this to 80%, and now that's going to be 80. And then you can see down here, it's now set to 80. And if I wanted to change that back to 100, hold down the Shift key, click, and then, move it over just a little bit, it's going to jump right to 100. Same thing, instead of Command, Control, Shift, and O for opacity, you can do the same thing for rotation. Command or Control, Shift, and the R, and that's going to be the same thing, but you can change the rotation. Let's undo that. And lastly, for position, I can bring up a box. Command, Control, Shift, and P. That's going to bring up the little position changer box where I can change the position. And this, if you didn't catch that before, these values here are the same as these values here. All right, speaking of position, if I have a layer and I want to nudge it by 1 pixel on the frame, left, right, up, down, I use the left, right, up, down arrows. So I'm just tapping the right arrow right now, the up arrow, and you can see in the composition panel, it's changing by a value of 1. If I hold down the Shift key, it's going to change it by a value of 10. So I'm going to hold down Shift and the down arrow, and that's going to move my little pink box down 10 pixels at a time. And then you can see, that, adjusts here as well. And two more for you. I'm just going to adjust the rotation and the scale. If I want to set the rotation of a layer back to 0, all I got to do is find the rotation tool up here and double click it. That's going to change it back to 0 on the rotation. And then for scale, if I double click the selection tool, that's going to bring it back to 100%. So, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that thumbs up so other people find it. And remember to hit that subscribe button too if you're not already, to see more videos like this one. Go drink some water, and I will see you all around in the next video.